How to excel in law school with limited time. 3 tips coming right up. Hi, my name is Lex and welcome to Lex in Motion. In this channel, I'll be helping you build your competence, confidence, and capability in law school. If it's your first time here, welcome, and thank you for finding the time to watch this video. On to our tips. Tip number 1, schedule your distractions. Distractions are anything and everything that interrupt you from getting things done in law school. They can be phone calls from your parents, your boyfriend, emails from your boss or another department, or notifications on your phone. If you have only 2 to 3 hours of study, schedule your distractions only during break times. This means you'll only check your phone during your break time. Put your phone on airplane mode, or even better, charge it in the next room. If you're on your desktop, I recommend that you install Focus. It's an app that will block your access to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. It will also block apps and games you have, including email. Now, under hardcore mode, it will lock out access to all your distractions. It won't go away even if you restart. The only way to restore it is to wait for the timer to expire. Tip number 2, dive into deep work. Deep work is the ability to focus without distraction on a cognitively demanding task. It's a skill that allows you to quickly master complicated information and produce better results in less time. Deep work will make you better at what you do and provide the sense of true fulfillment that comes from craftsmanship. Deep work gets you the grades you need in law school, even with short periods of study. Deep work requires intense focus. Deep work is difficult. It will require you to schedule your deep work into a daily ritual and work on the textbook, notes, or cases in front of you for chunks of time, usually for 1 uninterrupted hour. By forcing yourself to concentrate and work, you are building your brain's myelin. Think of it as running or lifting heavy weights. With each session, you get stronger, better, and faster. You'll get the results from deep work if you do it in scheduled daily rituals. Listen to your body and find your golden hours. When is your brain most active? Find that time and use it for deep work. Tip number 3, enter shutdown mode. Our muscles grow not when we're lifting, but when we're at rest. Deep work will drain your energy. You will need 6 to 8 hours of sleep each day to get the best results from deep work. Using this system of studying for law school, you are in effect forcing yourself to do all that you have to do in less time. The average full-time law student will have his books on his desk while continuously checking Facebook, watching Twitch, or waiting for the beadle to announce a ceasefire. Our goal in this channel is to rise above average and become the best versions of ourselves. By limiting law school work to 2 to 3 hours each day, at the perfect time, your golden hour where you can put in 100% effort, we will have more time to sleep. Put in another way, if you give everything you've got for 1 to 2 hours, you'll finish your reading assignments ahead of time and invariably need more time to sleep. In fine, the key to performing well in law school with limited time is to schedule your distractions, dive into deep work, make it a habit, and get 6 to 8 hours of sleep each day. What are your golden hours? Comment them below, and I will see you in the next video.